Hey guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. I also go over the preparation for the shoot briefly in terms of what I purchased to make, what I got to set it up. I give you a behind the scenes video of the actual set and then the girls sitting there before we start the shoot. And then I go through, the tutorial is a little over an hour and a half long. So it focuses on creating a painterly look in Photoshop. It goes over color matching. As you can see, I was taking these colors here and trying to match them to this painting. And then it also comes with the actions that I used as well, so that you can set up your own painting recreation. So this was done on with very little money in terms of what I purchased to make the set. So you'll learn how to take a photograph and make it look like a painting.